Rivercrest Drive is in fair condition overall. The shorter lower half, south of Briar Forest Drive, shows only minor wear consistent with its age, use, and proximity. On the lower half, drivers will experience minor cracks, divots, and road seams that may affect some drivers minimally. However, the upper longer half, north of Briar Forest Drive, motorists will experience a road that is riddled with cracks, road divots, road repair patches, road ruts, and longitudinal seams that create a challenging ride for some drivers. Additionally, drivers will experience a host of other issues that may affect their driving experience. For instance, the drainage ditch alongside Rivercrest Drive serves an important role in managing stormwater runoff, but it can also become a source of concern during periods of heavy rainfall. As water levels rise, the ditch may appear hazardous, particularly in areas where the shoulder is narrow or visibility is limited. Drivers who are unfamiliar with Rivercrest Drive may find the proximity of the ditch intimidating, especially during wet weather or at night, which can lead to hesitation or overcorrection while driving. Also, the chain-link fences installed along the drainage ditch in front of several residences serves as an important safety feature for both motorists and pedestrians. Its primary purpose is to provide a protective barrier that helps prevent vehicles from inadvertently entering the ditch, particularly during poor weather conditions or if a driver leaves the roadway. While the fence may appear to be an obstruction at first glance, it is intended to enhance roadway safety by reducing the risk of more serious accidents. Moreover, piles of debris located alongside at several points on Rivercrest Drive may present a potential roadside hazard and require increased awareness from motorists traveling through the area. Although the debris is positioned off the traveled portion of the roadway, drivers should remain alert and exercise caution, particularly when navigating at night or during adverse weather conditions when visibility may be reduced. For the most part, Rivercrest Drive is a local residential street intended primarily to provide access for neighborhood residents rather than serve as a heavily traveled public thoroughfare. Traffic volumes are generally limited to residents, their guests, and service vehicles, contributing to a lower volume roadway environment. Additionally, the connection to Westheimer Road has been closed to through traffic, further reducing public use of the street and limiting access from that direction. Did you know Rivercrest Drive was originally a shell road, a road surfaced with crushed oyster or clam shells when the neighborhood was developed in the late 1940s? Back then, homeowners were actually allowed to keep horses on their large properties. Today, the neighborhood still has a distinctive look. Most lots are at least 3 acres. There are few sidewalks, and the winding tree-lined road make it feel more like the countryside than a neighborhood just inside Beltway 8.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.